Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon and never miss another update from Almighty Java. In this video, we will see about synchronized. What is synchronized? It's a keyword in Java. It's a kind of lock, intrinsic lock or monitor lock, on a particular object using synchronize a block or method. We use synchronized keyword to avoid race condition for shared resources in a multi-threading environment. So example, multiple threads are trying to access critical object or share data simultaneously, then it may cause the inappropriate result or generate a runtime exception. If use synchronized keyword, then shared resource become a single threaded, so no multi-threading, and that takes care by Java Virtual Machine. How to use synchronized. Using synchronized block. Using the synchronized method. Synchronized block versus method. The synchronized method acquires a method on the whole object, means no other thread can use synchronized method at the whole object, so the method can run by only one thread. Synchronized block acquires a lock in the object between parentheses after the synchronized keyword, meaning no other thread can acquire a lock on the locked object until the synchronized block exit. Static synchronized methods and blocks work on the class object. One significant difference between synchronized method and block is that synchronized block generally reduces the scope of the lock, as the scope of the lock is inversely proportional to performance. Always better to lock only critical section of code. Let's implement. Let's first modify the package, add basic at the end. Let's create a new package. Package ends with sync. Create a new class. Class name should be synchronized example. Let's first see without synchronized thread processing, like the prev video. Create a simple example for the printer. See it working. Let's implement using a synchronized block. Let's run and see what is the output. See it maintains order. The output is like if thread 0 start first and execute completely, then thread 1 will same way. For another case, thread order may differ. Instead of class add lock using an object, so let's change some code. See, with the help of small change we changed from class to object. See, it's working. Let's implement using the static synchronized method. That's it. It's working. So we saw 3 ways to implement synchronized and multithreading. I hope you understand the use of synchronized keyword. Let's review whatever we did. Please like and share this video. Subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.